Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today's video or today's tutorial will be going to manually install SSL certificate on Namecheap. Where you are new in website management, just looking to enhance your skill, this step-by-step guide will help you install SSL certificate. So let's dive into. But first you have to purchase the SSL certificate from Namecheap, and now have to log in your cPanel, and then you will just see this option, that is Namecheap SSL. Just click this option is over here, and then you have to log in your Namecheap user ID and password. Then you will get this interface. I have already logged in my cPanel, my Namecheap account over here, and when you are install Namecheap SSL, so you have to here one pop-up is showing over here, that is log in your Namecheap account. You just log in your Namecheap account, then it will redirect to this page. Now I'm just clicking 2 or 3 step, then it will finish all the stuff. Don't worry. So one more thing is, I have made a video about tricks or Elementor, WordPress, e-commerce type, all those videos. If you are interested to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. And also if you need Namecheap SSL certificate and Namecheap hosting or domain, you can just buy from my from this link. This is the Namecheap account, Namecheap referral. If you buy from this, you will get the discount from over here. If you buy any hosting or domain, as whatever you need, actually, if you buy this link, and you will get some benefits, some bonus. You will get. Don't worry. So let's dive into here. As you can see, just click install. Now when you log in your Namecheap account, just click install. It's only 2 or 3 step process, very easy. And as you can see, this is the domain provider. This is my domain, and I will just click this domain, and this domain I will activate SSL certificate. Just click install installation certificate, and it will take few minutes or few hours. Don't worry, it will automatically activate your all those SSL certificate. Oh yeah, this is a HTTPS. As you can see, this is the protocol is redirecting. So this status is pending in progress status. So it will take few minutes or few hours. Don't worry, it will automatically redirect to HTTPS. That means SSL certificate. So I think this video will help you to how to install SSL certificate. And if you need any domain and hosting, you just buy from my affiliate link, that you will get benefit and I will get some benefit. So that's the you can do for your brother, right? So thank you very much. See you next video.